Hey everyone, did you know that a secret to feeling great is hiding in your spice rack? Today we're talking about curry powder, a tasty mix with amazing health benefits. Stay tuned to find out how this golden spice can make your food and your body happy. Curry powder? Don't think it's just some boring powder from the store. It's a mix of awesome flavors, a special recipe from South Asia. We're talking turmeric, coriander, cumin, Feni Greek, lots of ingredients, each one adding its own special taste. And it's not just about yummy food. This spice blend is full of good stuff. You want antioxidants? Curry powder has tons. Get ready to learn. Let's talk turmeric. This golden spice isn't just a staple in your kitchen, it's a powerhouse of health benefits. Originating from the roots of the curcuma longa plant, turmeric has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. But what makes it so special is not just yellow powder, it's a superhero. Packed with curcumin, the active compound that gives turmeric its vibrant color, this spice is a natural wonder. Curcumin is known for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It's full of curcumin, a powerful antioxidant that's super popular. Antioxidants are crucial for our health because they neutralize harmful free radicals in our bodies. Free radicals can cause oxidative stress, leading to chronic diseases and aging. Antioxidants are like bodyguards, getting rid of bad stuff called free radicals. Inflammation? Get out. Cell damage? Go away. By fighting off these harmful invaders, antioxidants help protect our cells and keep our bodies functioning optimally. Turmeric is the king of antioxidants. Its curcumin content makes it one of the most effective natural remedies for reducing inflammation and preventing cell damage. This is why it's often used in supplements and health products. It's like a super chef cleaning up a messy kitchen. Just as a chef meticulously cleans and organizes, turmeric works diligently to cleanse your body of toxins and harmful substances. It's strong, it works, and it gets the job done. Whether you're adding it to your curry, smoothie, or even your morning tea, turmeric is versatile and easy to incorporate into your diet. So next time you see turmeric, give it some respect. Remember, it's not just a spice. It's a health-boosting superhero in your pantry. Embrace the golden goodness and let turmeric work its magic in your life. Hey everyone! Want to fight off colds and infections? You need a strong immune system, and curry powder is here to help. Coriander, one of the spices in our mix, is like a coach for your immune cells. It gives them energy to fight off sickness. It's like building a fort around your body with coriander in charge. So ditch sugary drinks and junk food, they make you weaker. Let's be real, some of you have slow digestion, bloating, indigestion, constipation. Yuck! But don't worry, curry powder is here. Feni Greek, a small spice with a big personality, is great for digestion. It helps everything move smoothly. No more feeling stuffed. With Feni Greek, you can say goodbye to bloating and hello to a happy tummy. Your heart is important, not a trash can. Yet some of you eat junk food and expect it to be okay. Your heart deserves better. It needs healthy foods. And guess what? Curry powder can help. Some of the spices can help keep cholesterol levels healthy, which is good for blood flow. So don't be lazy, start using curry powder. Let's be honest, some of you need to lose weight. It's time to get healthy. And no, I'm not talking about crazy diets. I'm talking about healthy changes, starting with your food. And guess what? Curry powder can help. The spices, especially chili peppers, can boost your metabolism and help you burn more calories. So ditch the junk food and sugary drinks. Keeping your blood sugar healthy is important for everyone. When your blood sugar is out of balance, you can feel tired, gain weight, and even get sick. But don't worry, curry powder can help. Feni Greek and turmeric can help keep blood sugar levels steady. They're like guards keeping things in check, so ditch the sugary drinks and junk food. Some of you might be thinking, I'm terrible at cooking, how can I use this curry powder? Well, you're not alone. Many people feel overwhelmed when they step into the kitchen, especially when it comes to using spices. But don't worry, it's not as hard as it seems. With a little bit of guidance and some practice, you'll be whipping up delicious meals in no time. It's easy. First, ditch those pre-made curry sauces. They might seem convenient, but they're often loaded with preservatives, artificial flavors, and way too much salt. Plus, they lack the depth and richness of a homemade curry. By making your own, you have complete control over the ingredients and can adjust the flavors to your liking. Start with the basics: onions, garlic, and ginger. These three ingredients form the foundation of many delicious dishes. Chop them up finely and cook them in a bit of oil until they're soft and fragrant. This step is crucial as it helps to build a rich and flavorful base for your curry. Then add your curry powder. Don't just dump it in and hope for the best. Sprinkle it over the cooked onions, garlic and ginger and let it cook for a minute or two. This helps to release the essential oils in the spices, enhancing their flavor and aroma. You'll notice a significant difference in the taste of your curry. Get creative, try new things, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Cooking is an art, not a science. Experiment with different ingredients, adjust the spices to suit your taste, and most importantly, have fun. The more you practice, the better you'll get. So roll up your sleeves, grab that curry powder, and start cooking. Tea lovers, want to make your tea better? Try curry powder. A pinch of curry powder in your herbal tea adds a warm, earthy flavor. It's a flavor adventure, plus you get all those health benefits, so ditch the sugar. Healthy skin isn't just about expensive creams. While high-end products can be beneficial, they aren't the only solution. In fact, you can achieve glowing, healthy skin with some simple, natural ingredients that you might already have in your kitchen. Let's explore how you can enhance your skincare routine with a few easy and affordable tips. It starts with healthy food. What you eat has a direct impact on your skin's health. Fresh fruits and vegetables are packed with vitamins and antioxidants that nourish your skin from the inside out. Incorporating a variety of colorful produce into your diet can help you achieve a radiant complexion. And guess what? Curry powder can help your skin. This might come as a surprise, but spices like curry powder contain powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that can benefit your skin. Turmeric, a key ingredient in curry powder, is known for its ability to reduce redness and even out skin tone. Don't rub curry powder directly on your face. Instead, make a face mask. DIY skincare is a fun and effective way to treat your skin with natural ingredients. By creating your own face mask, you can ensure that you're using fresh, high-quality components without any harmful additives. Mix a teaspoon of curry powder with plain yogurt and honey. Yogurt is rich in lactic acid, which gently exfoliates the skin, while honey is a natural humectant that locks in moisture. Together, these ingredients create a nourishing and soothing face mask that can help improve your skin's texture and appearance. Put it on your face, not near your eyes, for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse it off. This simple mask can be a relaxing addition to your skincare routine. As you let the mask sit, take some time to unwind and enjoy a moment of self-care. After rinsing, you'll notice your skin feels refreshed and rejuvenated. The turmeric will help your skin look even and clear. With regular use, you may see a reduction in blemishes and an overall improvement in your skin's tone and texture. So next time you're looking to spice up your skincare routine, remember that the solution might just be in your spice rack. So there you have it. Curry powder is amazing. From boosting your immune system to helping your digestion and even making your skin glow, this spice blend is a must-have. Don't be scared of its color or flavor. Use curry powder and make your food delicious. Try different recipes and discover how great it is. Okay everyone, we've learned the basics. Now go cook. No more excuses about boring food. Curry powder is your key to flavor and health. Get creative and don't be afraid to make a mess. Just remember, fresh ingredients, big flavors, and a little passion. Now go. Love this video? Hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Holistic Health Heaven for more health tips.